The warning saying ABS service required is pretty common for the Outlander, and it's quite straightforward since it tells you to pay attention to the ABS system, consisting of 4 wheel speed sensors, ABS pump, ABS control unit, and also wires connecting the control module with each sensor. And speaking about the Outlander, the wires are the most common culprit. Also, you may ignore other lights like 4-wheel drive warning, ASC off light, check engine, etc. These lights are almost certainly illuminating because of the ABS problem, and it needs to be addressed in the first place. First of all, it would help a lot if you could get your Mitsubishi to a good repair shop that has a decent scan tool. This would allow you to learn which exact wheel is malfunctioning, or if you get the C2116 code, this may mean that the ABS module or pump requires replacement. After you know the wheel, you can take the wheel speed sensor on that wheel off and look at the wiring. Just track the wires as far as you can and make sure the wiring is okay. Also, looking at the ABS module wiring would obviously be necessary as it can lose connection too. If the wire looks good, just replace this sensor and you'll be good to go. But these cars are known for their ABS wiring issue. Fortunately, replacing the wiring for the ABS sensor is not an extremely hard task, so it won't cost you a fortune. And one more thing, if your repair shop recommends you replace the ABS pump or module, you should check the 12-volt battery on the load. And there is a high chance that the battery is weak and it's not enough to power the system properly, especially the moment when you are cranking the engine. After any repairs are done, you will need a scan tool again to reset the code, since the ABS module will set the error codes in various modules that will probably not clear themselves even when the new sensor or wire is installed.